Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.